Good day everybody, this is Grayzy, Chief Instructor of No Limits Bushcraft and Survival, and I hope everyone's well today. Yes, I'm in my work gear. For you who don't know, I'm actually a serving British soldier, as the majority of my instructors are, and I'm out in the area in Yorkshire with permission, and we're going to be setting up our military camp later on, but I'm going to be away from the troops and I'm going to be doing my own thing. So I'm going to be doing a bit of bushcraft while I'm out here, and while I'm out here, what I'm also going to be doing is testing out the new knife that was custom made for us by Wayne from Stone Circle Workshops. Now, if you haven't seen it already, have a look at my last video, which was the unboxing of it when I was actually sat in my office, and let's have a look at it. Let's see how it performs. Like military training areas, sometimes soldiers leave things for, if it's a secure position, they'll leave things in place. Now, this is clearly what's known as a stag position or a sentry position. And the good thing about bushcraft is you use what's around you to your advantage, especially when you're in survival mode. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm more than likely going to hire a tarp up here. So that's just in the bottom corner there. So that's me using an existing structure. So that was actually a sentry point for where soldiers sort of lie, hide to keep guard of the harbour area. I haven't dismantled it, so I've just used it. It wasn't an Actaris one, it was a U-tool, but they're exactly the same. But the downside of it is though, it's only 2 meters by 1.7, and I'm 1.96, so I've only literally got 2 centimeters top and bottom of it, so I've had to sleep sort of like diagonally. So if it belt down, which possibly might do tonight, I may get my head or my feet wet. But I'm going to build the position up a bit, see if I can get some pipe out, see if I can get some more protection, and then get a brew on, and then get some scoff, and then enjoy the quiet. What I have come out here mainly to test is the Stone Circle Workshop Northern Limits all-rounder. He hasn't actually got a name for it, I've just named it that. But he's got spalted beech handle that he made for us with a lanyard loop, glass breaker. He's given it a stonewash finish so it doesn't have the shine on it, because he knows that you know, I use my tactical stuff, so I don't want the shine on it. And then he's then given more an ornate sheath made out of leather, and it's absolutely brilliant. I absolutely love this blade. I did do an unboxing on it in the last video if you haven't seen it, but I can tell you it's amazing. I love this knife. Made easy work of it. And as ever useful as one of the most useful things I've ever been sent to trial is the sit mat from Urban Survival guys. I transported these from the tree that I was processing it on the sit mat. So what that's doing now is just keeping all the moisture out of my kindling. And then as you can see, inside, the heat will be reflecting off the inner part of this tarp to then start circulating around. But what I have done is I boiled my water bottle, then put it into a sock, and then threw it in the bottom of my dust bag, and my feet are toasty. So I'll, good morning, everybody. Condensation in here is quite horrific. It's -2. I'm freezing. So my sleeping bag, hot water bottle, see if I could Griz it out. I did Griz it out. I slept quite well actually. Well, no time to mess around, just get the tinderbox going. So no one messing about this morning. Inferno pad, green one, no different to the red one, just a different colour. And that's going to get that going again. So all I'm doing here is reheat my water bottle, make a quick brew out of that warms up from the inside, and then I'm going to go and throw that back into my dust bag and then just mung it for an hour. Morning is truly broken. It's incredibly brisk this morning, I must say. I'm out of bed, I've had my brew, had breakfast. I'm good to go. I'm good to go, it's fine. But saying that, if you like what we do here at Northern Limits Bushcraft and Survival, please check the website out, www.northernlimitsbushcraftandsurvival.com. If you like some of the stuff that we do make and then we sell, check out our Etsy page, www.etsy.com/Northern Limits BCS.